friend and a burst of color. A is for alligator, snappy and green, gliding through water where he's easily seen. B is for bear, big-hearted and bold, roaming the forest in stories retold. C is for cat, so clever and keen, leaping from rooftops where she can be seen. D is for duck, with feathers so bright, paddling round rivers from morning to night. E is for elephant, grand and wise, fanning big ears beneath sunlit skies. F is for fox, in a coat of fine red, darting through meadows with light-footed tread. G is for giraffe, with a neck held high, nibbling at leaves that brush the sky. H is for hippo, soaking in streams, splashing and laughing in watery dreams. I is for iguana, green in the heat, lounging on branches, calm and discreet. J is for jaguar, shadows in flight, prowling the forest in silent delight. K is for kangaroo, bounding with grace, hopping and racing, enjoying the chase. L is for lion, regal and strong, leading the pride all the savannah along. M is for monkey, ever so spry, swinging on vines as the day passes by. N is for newt, bright-spotted and neat, slipping through grasses with barely a beat. O is for owl, wise and alert, watching the world as night shadows flirt. P is for penguin, dressed for the show, waltzing on ice with a shuffling flow. Q is for quail, quick to take wing, dashing through bushes with feathers that sing. R is for rabbit, swift and discreet, wiggling his nose and thumping his feet. S is for snake, smooth as a wave, weaving through grass in shadows so brave. T is for tiger, striped flame and gold, stalking through jungle with confidence bold. U is for uriel, horns curling high, climbing the cliffs where clouds fill the sky. V is for vulture, circling wide, soaring on wind with wings open wide. U is for whale, massive and grand, spouting a fountain then waving a finned hand. X is for xeris, squirrel of speed, darting past stones to gather his seed. I is for yak, woolly and stout, trekking up mountains, turning about. Z is for zebra, lively and bright, painting the plains with stripes of delight. From A down to Z, our journey is done. The animal alphabet adventure, a wild world of fun.